Yuri, this place is full of fist guys with suspicious bulges. Guns. I'm talking about guns. Obviously.
I can't order a raid over bulges.
Just a hunch, but there might be a public disturbance pretty soon.
It'll be easier. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. Trust me. Then you Get down here! Right. Better. Spider-Man! You know what to do! Got this! Kick his ass! Stay away from his work! Take him down! Get this blast off me!
More guys? Okay, form an orderly line. I promise I'll arrest everyone.
Got a present for you! Sure.
It's sad that when I see a mob rushing toward me, I assume they want to kill me. But they always do.
Another gadget?
Spider-Man, every worker assigned to that site reported winning big in Atlantic City recently.
Quick and dirty way to launder money. Could be where Fisk keeps his cash these days.
We shut it down, we'll really put the squeeze on him. I'm working on a warrant.
Way ahead of you.
Here comes the pain! Come on, bring him down already!
Reinforcements! Great! I was getting kind of sick of these other guys.
Can't take much more. We don't take him down! No!
More of them! Find someone who cares about you like Willie's guys care about getting kicked in the face, and you'll be golden!
Clear! Bring him down already! Good God, now!
Your people won't have any problems here now.
And Wilson Fisk's problems just keep adding up. Nice going.